Hello guys, and welcome back to a new outdoor adventure. Today is a maintenance day. I'm here with my new Honda Transalp. I have it for I guess almost 2 weeks. So it's time for the first oil change. The bike has let's see, 1,076 kilometers. So basically it's time for an oil change. In the meantime, I put a skid plate on. This is the Outback Mototech. So I'll have to take the skid plate off to do the oil change. It shouldn't take too long. The skid plate is attaching these two bolts here to the crash bars, and it has I don't know if you were able to see, but it has another one here and two more on the bottom and another one on the other side. So it shouldn't take too long. Let's see how that goes. Alright, so the top, these two top bolts are a 20 millimeter, an 8 millimeter socket. So this one's, all of these bolts, they recommend putting blue Loctite on it. And for the bottom ones, this is a hex key. I don't know what sizes, but I have many. These ones are also blue Loctite. Secured. Oh, okay, I get it. It would be easier to put the lift under it to hold it, but anyway, I think. Alright, so it took me, let's see how much of the video I spent, 3 minutes and 35 seconds. So 3 minutes to take the plate off, and I'm guessing another 3 minutes to put it back on. So oil filter is right here in front, and the drain plug is right here. Let me see if you can see it. It's right here. Alright, so what I'm gonna use is Honda OEM filter. It's this is the code, and also I'm going to use the Honda oil 1030 4-stroke motorcycle oil. The manual says 3.6 liters if you take out the filter, 3.8 if you disassemble, but of course I'm not going to do that. So let's start by removing the drain plug and putting a oil pan under. Alright, so the bolt is a, let's see, not even a 14. Huh. Oh, it's this guy is a 12. It's a 10. 10 is too small. It's gotta be a 12. Yeah, it's a 12. Okay, good. We have all the tools. All right, good. Wasn't too tight. There you go. Doesn't look too bad. It's not that dirty. But anyway, okay, so looks like it's almost done. Have a also Honda crush washer, bought it from the Honda dealer, 7 cents or whatever. So I'm gonna replace the bolt crush washer. The manual calls for to tighten that bolt with a 22 foot-pound torque. Feels a little bit too much, but we'll try. And I'm gonna use a filter, well, not wrench, but it's a filter tool to remove the filter. Filter calls also for a 20, I think it's a 20 foot-pound torque. I don't have a torque for that. I'm gonna tie this the way I do it for my cars. Let's see. Oh, come. No, it doesn't want to. Here you go. Okay, it's coming. Okay. All right. All right, so I'm gonna move the oil pan closer to the filter. So because internet is a very valuable tool, people are recommending putting some aluminum foil on the pipes. Sorry for the noise. When the oil filter is gonna come off, the oil is gonna be on the pipes, and then when the bike is gonna turn on and be hot, it's gonna smell, probably just for a bit, but anyway. There you go. And that's it. Let me look at the filter model. I don't know, it doesn't say exactly. Titan torque 24 to 29 Newton meters, which is 24 means, I guess, around 16 foot-pound. But anyway, I'm just gonna tighten until it gets like tight, and then I'm gonna just do probably half a turn. This is what I do with my cars. I don't use tools for the oil filter. And let me clean. Let me clean this a little bit with some paper towel. Yep. All right, looks good. Okay. And installing the new filter. Also, the manual recommends, and I do this for my car too, to oil this rubber ring here with some fresh oil. Usually what I do, I put a little bit of oil in the filter, take some, put it on the rubber, and put a little bit more oil so it's not dry when the bike starts. That should do it. Let me wipe it off a little bit. And just put it back. Okay, so now it's snug. Wipe everything off. So I'm just gonna turn until I can't turn it anymore. Should be fine. Done. All right. Take this off. Everything should be clean. No oil on the pipes. That's good. That's good. Thank you for the guy who put this on the internet. Let's install the plug back. So plug, change the crusher washer, although probably it's not necessary, doesn't matter. And let's okay, so I'm gonna try to actually torque this. Let's put it to 18 and try. Oh, it's already 18. Okay, put it to 20. Okay, and try 22, the way the manual says. Alright, 22, not bad. Okay, I thought it's too much and I'm gonna break this, but wasn't that much. Okay, this part is done. Now let me fill up with oil. Alright, so oil fill up is on the right side. This is the cap. Okay, I don't understand. I tried to check the level, but it's so hard on this Honda. Let me see. Okay. Let's put this. So basically this bottle has 4 liters. So actually the bottle has 3.785 liters. Honda asks for 3.6. I guess I put like, I don't know, 10-20 milliliters on the oil filter. So I need to leave out another 160 milliliters. We'll see. All right, everything is done. Everything is done. Let me put this cap back on. So everything that is left to be done is just start the bike for 5 minutes, let it rest for another 2-3, and then measure the level on the cap, and if it's more needed, add more. I guess if you need less, just take out some, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.